Get engagement and views on your YouTube channel for no time. Yes, growing your YouTube channel and getting engagement fast. I know you all have heard this, but do you know there is a place on your YouTube channel where they actually give you things that your audience is searching every day? Meaning, if you go to this particular place in your YouTube studio, you can actually get to create videos every day. You get new content to create. You will not be bothered like, what kind of content do I create? What kind of content do my audience need? No, that particular place is a place that YouTube has already researched for you, and they're actually giving you daily. Yes, daily. They're giving you daily the things that your followers, your subscribers, or people who are under your needs search. Do you actually know that you having this niche, or you doing this niche, and other people doing this niche as well? But then again, that people, your audience and other people's audience, that you all do the same niche, there are questions they ask every day. There are things they search every day. And these things, YouTube send them to you. By so doing, they're making you get what to create every day. They're making you have video ideas every day. Yet you all cry, hey, I'm creating content, my videos are not going viral, people are not engaging, because you are not doing those things that these people are asking, right? So today I'll be showing you how to go into your YouTube studio and sort out all these things that your followers want, and not just your followers. Even if you're a new YouTuber, not just your followers, but audience in your niche, okay? What audience in your niche actually need, what they are asking for every day, the problems they're trying to solve, that you can actually help them to solve. All these things are in your YouTube studio. Let's go. Let me show you how you get to that. Find out, get topics for every day, and create videos every day, videos that people actually need. And once you create these videos, you'll be using the same titles of their search, okay? The title, the search question, like the search that pops, how it pops. Let's say it happens like how to animate a human. Now your title will be how to animate a human, which means you capture them and you have a hashtag under that particular topic. So it makes people rush to your page and watch. I don't know if I'm making sense, but if I'm making sense to you, let's go into this video. Go watch it. Let me show you everything step by step. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment in the comment section. My name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to grow, and how to work with AI tools. Let's go on this one. So the first thing you do is you open your YouTube studio. You open your YouTube studio like this. So once you open your YouTube studio, you wipe down here. You check down here where you see dashboard, content, analytics. You click on analytics. When you click on analytics, over here at the top, you see trends, you see overviews, you see content, you see audience, you see revenue and all that. Now, what you need to do first thing first, you get to trend, okay? You click on top of trend. When you click on trend, you see this. You see top search. This is top search. Now you come to top search. You see how to make money with AI podcast. That's the first one under this niche. You see, and let me show you something. Once you click on it, you see from your viewers, high search, very high interest. You see there from your viewers. These are high interest from people coming to your page, but they are not seeing this. But they want this, okay? Now you can see here, how can I use AI to make money? You go to this other one, how to make money from podcasts. You come to this other one, how to create podcasts with AI, okay? If you click on them, they get to tell you this is from your viewers, or this is from the search, from the YouTube search. So you see down here, they said searched on YouTube. These are top search from YouTube. And if you want to create a video like this, what you do is you create a video, but you put the same title on how to make an AI podcast for studying, okay? Now let's go back. I'll take you guys back. So you get to see now you have this one, how to use AI to make money. When you click on how to use AI to make money, this one's will open. You see how to earn money with the help of AI, how to learn how to use AI to make money, how to earn money using AI tools. They're already giving you different titles that you can use for the videos. So even if you create a video under here, you get to use any of this as your title. You get to use any of these as your title. So since my page is actually on how to make money with AI, how to work with AI tools, how to edit videos, and how to grow, I get different ones. Now, when I click here on top search, you see, search on YouTube, you click this arrow by the side. When you click on the arrow by the side, you have all these are topics that you have. Okay, these are topics that you have. You see, high value. If you see here, how to grow and make money on Instagram using AI, high volume, that's high quality. Those are ones people are asking more. You see here, low volume, they'll give you the questions, the ones that are low volume. Yeah, people are asking, but not too much. Medium, people are asking and they want to know. High quality, people really, really want to know. You can see it from here. So here you have now which one to create and which one not to create. The low ones, you can leave them. The high quality ones and the medium ones, you use them to create your videos. And the titles, they've already given you titles. So you see here, how to make money with AI for beginners. Always use as a title and always use it as your hashtag as well. Content gaps. Now you see here content gaps. When you click on content gaps, I clicked on all first. Now when you click on content gaps, you see high volume. This one now is the ones that are asking more. Okay, how to make money with crypto, how to make money with trending AI schools, how to make money with this. You see, these are high level content for you to create. Now this is what it shows for my page. For your page, it will show your own. Now you all know I do AI qualities, AI videos. Now you see here, they say character AI link in description box, right? If you want to, like, how to put this AI links in your description box. Some people want to learn how to do that. Okay, you come here, you see Otta AI tutorials. They're asking you AI videos to channels. They're asking you AI script writers. These are the things people are asking under my niche. Okay, Jasper tutorial. So these are the things you get to look and you create videos under this niche. Now let's go. Let me show you another one. That you actually have everything on your page, but you're not using it the right way. You're not using it how to use it. You keep searching and searching and then you cry. Okay, so let me show you another one. Let me show you how to get this. When you go back to content, then you come back, and here when you click on, you come down here where it says gap search. Okay, if you see here recent videos, you come down here. If you click on recent videos, you want to get inspiration. You see recent videos, you see people who have created these same videos and their views. You see faceless videos, write ebooks, social media. These are people who have created content 6 days, 5 days, 3 days, and their pages are booming. And these pages are going viral. So you see their titles, then you create videos like this. Don't say, oh, I'm not doing it because this person is doing it. No, you create videos like this. Under this, you have a lot. Now, if you come here, you come back on overview. When you come on overview, down here, you see your weekly recap. Just say your weekly recap is here. They're giving you weekly recap every week. You click on weekly recap. When you see here, you click on top, swap. See how many people visited my page last week. Okay, people who turn up in your page. These are the people. Now you see the people coming from, like, here is how people found you. YouTube home, up next, and YouTube search. Always put your videos to up next. I don't know if you guys are doing that, but if you don't know, type in the comment section, teach us how to put your videos for up next, and I'll teach you. Okay, now you come here, you see this is what they watched. Now they're telling you what people watched on your page, and these videos actually went viral. And they're telling you can actually keep creating this kind of videos back to back because they will be going viral on your page. There is no magic in growing YouTube. Just go to your studio and you get all the information you need. You understand? They're telling you that this is what people watch. Now you'll be able to be recreating these videos in different manner, but recreating this video because your audience actually watched it high. Okay? It ranked. People who didn't just watch, people didn't just watch, they interacted. So people liked, people shared, people commented. They're giving you, so you get to know, okay? And then the amount made, the money you made, they're giving you that as well. Now they say, let's play a game. They'll ask you questions on how this, like, which one was the most viral video, this. So you get to know. There is everything here. When you're done with this, you see this bear up here, this notification bear up here. You click on this notification bear. I'm showing you what your creators are using 100 years and creating 10 videos or 10 different videos to show you one thing. I'm showing you in this video because I'll not come back. Now you see here that saying you have 5,000 subscribers. People like your content. Yeah, your comment will come up here, and still notifications that YouTube is sending for you will come up here. People are getting hooked on your channel. Congrats on reaching 5,000 watch hours. Now, people are getting hooked on your channel and they're showing you weekly recap. It comes here like I told you. They'll give you all the informations you need here, okay? They'll tell you what to do here. They'll tell you how to lock up your page from here. You can see these YouTube informations that are popping up. Besides looking at the comments, just see YouTube informations that are popping up, okay? Now they say, watch out for suspicious requests. Ignore link and files. This is a notification a lot of you are falling for, and that is why they are actually hugging your pages. Here, if you click on it, you see safety tips and resources for YouTube creators. So please, you see this particular place. Anybody who sends you a link, don't click it. Don't click these links, okay? Reason why you should not even link the email you used in creating your YouTube. Don't link it on your YouTube for business purpose. Create a new email that you put on your YouTube channel for business purpose or for people to contact you for deals, for brand deals or whatever. Don't use the same email you used in creating, because they can send you videos, a link, and say, oh, I want you to collaborate with me. This is a link. Click on this link and get to see what I'm showing you. Then boom, you click and boom, your account is gone. Okay? So here, nobody should lie to you. You have everything here. And when you get to content, you click on content. You see type visibility that's showing you everything, how your content is going, how everything is working for you. Your YouTube studio is here. If you want to know anything about your studio, go to analytics. Once you click on analytics, you see everything. You see policy that's showing you policies, that bringing you policy. Yeah, analytics that's showing you the analytics on your page. Achievement, you click on achievement. They're giving you every achievement on your page. Don't go asking people's questions for your channel. Come here and get all your questions for your channel, okay? You go to comments, you see all your comments. The ones you've not replied, you reply them. Get engaged with your audience. Okay, people? So this is it. This is it. Don't forget, when you come to your page, click on trends. When you click on trends, you see up there. You see up here, top search, what people need for your page. And if you click, they'll tell you very high interest for your viewers. Okay, how to make money with AI podcasts. This is what people are asking. So I'll be creating this video tomorrow for those of you who want to watch. Okay, so yeah, this is what you do. You see it here, see people doing it and they're going viral, and you can actually click on watched or recent created, so you get them as well. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next thing you want me to